We are an independent service facility specializing in Volkswagen and Audi. We have 3 technicians, factory trained, and ASE certified. We're able to provide most services from simple oil changes and engine and transmission repairs to complex electrical diagnostics. For our oil services and repairs, we only use parts, fluids, and chemicals that meet or exceed factory specifications. One of the services we are very excited about is our digital inspections. When you enter the shop, you may see our technicians with a tablet performing a digital inspection on your vehicle. This helps maintain transparency. It allows you to actually see the concern with your vehicle and why it needs to be addressed. We have also partnered with some of the top Volkswagen and Audi performance manufacturers. We are an authorized APR dealer offering their full catalog of hardware and software upgrades. Our goal has always been to provide Volkswagen and Audi owners of the Wilmington and Cape Fear area with an unparalleled service experience.